Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvia. Okay, so today's video is really informative. Like, I have met many people who don't know what is Pinterest. So today I am going to share few things about Pinterest, like what is Pinterest and why one must follow Pinterest, and like, yeah, in short, all your questions will be answered in today's video. So yes, but before that, do subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos as well, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And do like this video, and guys, please join my YouTube family. Let's connect. Okay, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so I have phone in my hand and I am using Android, since I have observed that most of the people have Android. Yeah, basically, yeah, that's the reason. Okay, and here on this side I'll be displaying my screen so it gets easy for you what I'm saying and you can see. In short, I hope you guys get it. Okay, so when you open Pinterest, this is what you get, and this is the feed for. Basically, Pinterest is something where you get inspired. So in short, Pinterest is something which is used most by foreigners, and by even Indians use it. But on Pinterest you get many ideas. For example, outfit ideas, designing ideas, like everything, whatever you want you can search it. Like, there are many things. This is what something I follow designing. See, not designing typically. See, these are the poses, photo poses. See, these are the different couple photo poses, and these are the jewelries. This is decor. Yes, I do even like to see decor. See, you get so many good, beautiful, cute and amazing things on Pinterest. You even get wallpaper. What you have to do is just search. Yeah, every time you push this way it gets refreshed. So this is something really amazing. I really like Pinterest is something I love. Yes, I would spend more time on Pinterest rather than Instagram and YouTube. So this is really amazing. These are the DIY cards, like invitation cards. See, so amazing. See this is really unique. So basically you get ideas about everything, and if you want to search over here, see, you can search anything. See, I have searched so many things. I'll be searching Western outfit woman. Yeah, see, you can see so many Western outfit ideas. Typically you can't buy anything, you can't sell anything, it's just something you get ideas regarding that. Yeah, see this, you can go with white and denim. Now see, there is a option called visit and save. So when you click on visit, you go to their blog, like sometimes to a YouTube, sometimes to blog, or sometimes shopping. See, this says $19. So it totally depends, but it's not for sure that you can buy that product. It's something for inspiration. See, next I'll search is DIY. See, there are so many DIYs. See this. Sometimes there are steps as well. See, there is before after. See this. There are a lot of things from which you can get inspired, and you have wallpapers as well. See this wallpaper. See this clouds. I am typically a person who loves cloud, pink color, sea and all those stuff. So this is cloud, and if I want to download, I have to click on this three dots and I have to just download image, and my image is downloaded. See, as you can see. And now there is an option called share. From here you can share to the people whom you are following on Pinterest. Yes, there is also option of following on Pinterest. Okay, now this save options, I'll tell you something about save. See, when I go here I have home page where I am, then there is search, then there is upload, so just ignore upload for now. And there here you have a message, like not message, something like notifications about if you have seen a lot of DIYs, then something new is there on Pinterest, which Pinterest thinks that you may like it, then Pinterest will send you notification about that. Now this is homepage, this is mine, this is something my business account, but your account will look something like this. See, here you have boards and pins. So there are three options: follow, boards and pins. So for follow, you can follow each other, there is just like Instagram. And for boards, see, these are the boards. Boards are typically the folders you create in your laptop or phone. Yes, so boards, yeah, typically boards are that. And pins are something which you save. Pins are like images, your files. See, boards, these are my boards, which means these are my folders, like invite, wedding, decor, photo poses, creative, dress, photography for women, social media, jewelry, travel, tattoo, cards, wallpaper. You can even lock, like your followers can't see this. Cards is locked, you can see this lock symbol. Yes, that means my followers can't see this board. Yes, my followers can't see this folder, in short. Yes, wallpapers, makeup, mehendi, DIY, hairstyle. See, you have so much pretty hairstyles over here. See, this is the video you can see. It's just a simple cute tutorial, you can even learn from here. See, all these are really pretty hairstyles. Now, best places. See, these are the places which I have saved. This is mine. You can go on Pinterest and search as fun with Dhruvi, and you will get my all the boards. See, you can even, like, all these is just my boards. And what are the pins? Pins are something which I have saved in my boards, like which I have saved in my folders. Yes, see, this is all together pins you can see over here. Yes, if you are working, like I am a graphic designer, so I have a lot of graphic designing ideas as well over here. So you can have your own profession ideas as well, like study tips if you are a student. So like there are a lot of study ideas. Let's see what we get. See, there are the planners, easy plan, study schedule. See this. You can get inspired from these and just try your own. So it's amazing. I just love this app. And there are a lot of bag organizer. Let's see. See. As you can see, there are a lot of things. Now let's go to makeup. Makeup looks. Yeah. See, you can see how pretty eyes are there. Wow, see this. Sure, this is so pretty. What do you guys think? So in short, Pinterest is something this. Now we'll go to home page. These are my pins. You can save from here as well. I have even uploaded different photo poses. You can have a look. Photo poses for women. See over here. See, photography poses, women. See, this is my pose with a lemon, no, with a sweet lime. Mosam tha, I don't know, I forgot actually English में क्या बोलते हैं, मौसम्बी था. See, you can see this. This is just a pose. So in short, that's all is Pinterest about. And you can follow me on Pinterest. I'll follow you back. You can get inspired. And this is all Pinterest is. Pinterest इतना confusing नहीं होता है. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि बहुत confusing होता है Pinterest. नहीं, Pinterest confusing नहीं होता है. वो simple है. Images है. Images पसंद आया उसको pin करो कोई भी board में. Board मतलब folders. उसको पिन मतलब सेव, हाँ, पिन मतलब सेव, तो उसको सेव करो कौन से फोल्डर में. दैट्स इट. कितना इजी है. सो जस्ट डाउनलोड Pinterest and have a look. You'll get inspired with a lot of things. Yes. I hope the video was useful and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if not, then दूसरे videos देख लो यार, मेरे बहुत अच्छे videos हैं. Yes, don't forget to hit like to this video and subscribe to my channel and connect with me and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Yeah, that was all for today. Bye bye. See you in next video.